Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
Now in this one, we'll be learning how we can automate tasks using the / commands feature of the Claude Code extension. Over here, you can see that I've opened my Claude Code extension, and when I type / in the prompt window, you can see that it is showing me the list of commands that are already there, but the top one that you see over here, bash, it says custom command and it's within the project. So we'll learn how we can create a custom command. It's nothing but, as you can see over here, created within the project directory in this manner. So we have the .claude / commands directory, and within that I've created an empty bash.md file. If you look at this, hardly anything over there right now. And still, if you go and type this /, it will be automatically picked by Claude Code extension as a / command. And over here you can see one of the examples from their documentation. Like, they have this refactor.md, and what they're doing is they are just writing this content within the MD file. And if you want to further format it, you can do that by having this 3 dots section, and within that you have these attributes, key value pairs sort of, which kind of defines what exactly this particular file is supposed to do. And then you can see that it is giving certain instructions like analyze the code base for security vulnerabilities, including SQL injection, XSS, exposed credentials, insecure configurations. When you do this and you execute this batch command, it's going to automatically take care of all these things for the given file that you are working on or the directory that you're working on, by including such files or directories over here in the prompt window using the shortcuts that we discussed, or directly finding them using the search pattern like this, readme.md or license.md. And then you can obviously execute the command. Like over here we have these commands. You can select one and execute it. And here you can see the list of built-in / commands and what exactly they're supposed to do. So we have the command /add - directory, which adds additional working directories. Then we have agents, bashes, bug, clear. We have already explored that. Config, context. This one is interesting. Let's explore this as well. Context. So here, let me go ahead and type that / command / context and press enter. And here you can see that it is giving me this information, what exactly I have consumed and what free space I have. So the model that I'm using is Claude Sonnet. And then we have the system prompt, system tools, MCP tools, skills, messages. We will be exploring this in our upcoming lecture as well. So that was / commands and how we can automate stuff using / commands in Claude Code extension.
If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.